What's good, creators? Welcome back to Monzon Media. This is the FIFINE T669 USB microphone. Now I know what you're thinking, where did that talent come from? Yeah, but that was actually my son. He's a vocal artist, and I really wanted to show you guys that how versatile this mic really is. Now you can also use this for ASMR. I didn't really know about ASMR for a while. I didn't even know it was a thing. But before we get into those details, let's do some housekeeping. Basically, this mic comes complete with all these accessories for about $60 US and just under $100 Canadian. Wow, it's almost double the price here. Now, as of today, this mic is not available on Amazon US. However, you can go to FIFINE's website and purchase it directly from them. But it is available for Amazon Canada. In terms of the build quality, the mic is pretty solid itself. It only has one volume knob. There are no other features. The arm itself is metal. If there was only one thing I would pick on, it would be the plastic knobs. I mean, it's typical for knobs to be plastic, but who knows over time if they will wear out or not? Only time will tell. Besides the reasonable price, one of the biggest things I really like about this mic is that it's pretty much plug and play. There are no drivers to download and there's no software to use. You don't need to use an interface. You pretty much just plug it in, and Windows, or if you're on the Mac OS platform, will automatically update the drivers for you, and you're pretty much ready to go. This is a very versatile, user-friendly mic. Now, what I noticed about this mic, though, it's all about your speaking technique. Like, if I wanted to put this movie voice right now, I'm really close to the mic and it gives it that extra deep sound. Do I sound sexy? If I back up here, it sounds a bit more thinner. I'm speaking just a bit louder, but it'll still pick up the sound very well. It just won't pick up the low end as much as if I was really up close here and talking like I was on a podcast. I was this tall, dark, and handsome guy. Close your eyes. Tall, dark, and and maybe you're a vocal musician and you want something fairly affordable. I'm gonna play that clip of my son singing and show you just the raw recording.
Walk on through the wind, walk on through the rain, though your dreams be tossed and blow.
But everything you're hearing today, I want you to hear it raw. The only thing I will do in post-production is level the volumes so that they're even and that you can hear it properly. Now I can also see musicians using this mic to record, let's say, their guitar playing. Now, I haven't played much lately, so I'm just going to strum something super simple. Don't judge me, man. I need to practice. I'm more of a drummer. And of course, with a lot of people working from home and using Skype or Zoom for meetings and for calls, this mic will give you better audio than your laptop or what you might be currently using. And I'm sure your fellow colleagues on the other end would appreciate the better audio. Maybe you're a voiceover guy and you want something like this. Coming this summer, she is a world-renowned chef. He was a beggar who loved to eat. Starring Julia Roberts, Tom Cruise. So bottom line, guys, I have to say that for the price and all the little accessories you get, you really can't lose with this mic. I would definitely highly recommend this mic to anyone that's looking to step up their audio game. Now, if you are interested in hearing some comparisons with this mic to, let's say, the lavalier mic that I have, the BY M1, or perhaps a shotgun mic, let me know in the comments below. It's a video I've wanted to do for some time, and now that I have a mic like this, I think that might be an interesting video to do, comparing, let's say, a $20 lav mic to this $60 USB mic kit. As always, if you like what you watched today, make sure to let me know in the comments below, toss me a like, and hit that notification bell so that you know when the next video goes live. Until the next video, we'll see you then. Cheers. I swear that's not alcohol.